Hello students, we have seen that a pure substance is a substance which can it has a single chemical composition like water, what you have seen H2O, but it can be existing in more than one phase, like solid phase, liquid phase, and gaseous phase. And we have seen that water is a pure substance where it is available in the form of ice, that is solid, water, liquid, and steam, that is in the gaseous state. Now, this discussion will have about triple point. So you can see the diagram here. It's a temperature versus pressure diagram uh, of water. You can see there only one line is there here. Uh, this is the line. Okay, this is the line. So this y-axis stands for the temperature and x-axis stands for the pressure. So here you can see that this is called vapor phase. This is all vapor. This is all vapor phase here, and this is the liquid phase. Whatever you see here, now, this is all liquid phase, and bottom this is the solid. You can see S is given for solid. So there is one more line here. You can see this line. So there are three different phases: uh, vapor phase, liquid phase, and solid phase. Now you can see there is one point, this point especially, where all these three phases are meeting. Okay, where all these three phases are meeting, and this point basically, where all the three phases are meeting, this is known as TP or triple point. You can see this point, it's slightly lower than 0 degree centigrade, lower than 1 bar pressure. Okay, somewhere 0.00 some value is there, a very low value of pressure and very low value of temperature, also less than 0. Okay, here this point, this S stands for solid, this L stands for liquid, and this is vapor. And this we have already studied the critical point, where it is difficult to differentiate between liquid and the vapor point. Now this SL is solid liquid saturation line. Okay, this is LV is a liquid vapor saturation line. And critical point we have already seen that pressure is around 221 bar and temperature is 374 374 degrees centigrade. So this we have already seen. Okay, so now critical point is over. We will see the triple point. If you see the sketch again, once again, so this point where the in the water especially, we are discussing of a triple point of water, where all the three phases, vapor, liquid, and solid, are existing. This is known as the triple point. So the point Tp or on the temperature pressure diagram is called as the triple point. It is that state at which the three phases of pure substances coexist in equilibrium. Three phases means the solid, liquid, as well as vapor phase of the pure substance. They all coexist in equilibrium. For water, the triple point pressure and temperature are 0.006 bar and 0.01 degree centigrade respectively. So, the triple point is that point at which uh, all the three phases of the pure substance can exist. Okay, and they exist in equilibrium. And for water specifically, the pressure is at triple point is 0.006 bar pressure, as well as temperature is 0.01 degree centigrade. So this you have seen from the diagram here. So you can practice this diagram and understand about the triple point. Thank you.